If PQR equals 1, RST equals 0, and SPR equals 0, which of the following must be 0? Okay? So for the first equation, PQR equals 1. So that means P, Q, and R are not equal to 0, because if one of these variables is 0, then the answer is not 1. It will be 0. So therefore, P, Q, and R, so these are not 0. So the question is, which of the following must be 0? So therefore, the 0 must be in RST and SPR. But PQR is not equal to 0, so therefore, we have R in this RST and then SPR. So this PR is not equal to 0 and these are in the RST. So therefore, the 0 must be the common to these two equations, RST equals 0 and SPR equals 0. So what is the common variable in these two equations? The common variable is S. They both have S. So therefore, the 0 in our variables is S, because PR in this equation is not 0, so S is the remaining variable that can be 0. Okay, so the answer is letter D. S is 0. Follow for more.